In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a buy now, pay later payment option on Uber Eats. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to ubereats.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the official Uber Eats homepage so you can move through the process smoothly. Using Chrome can help with compatibility, especially when payment windows or authorization screens need to open correctly. Next, put together your order and continue until you reach checkout. This means selecting the food or items you want, reviewing your cart, and making sure your delivery details are correct before moving on. It's a good idea to double check your order at this stage, since payment options are usually handled near the end of the process. Taking a moment here can help prevent delays if you need to go back and edit anything later. When you're at the checkout page, look for the currently active payment method section and click that payment tool block. This opens the area where you can change how you want to pay. Depending on the version of the site or your location, the layout may look a little different, but the goal is to open the payment method selector so you can view available alternatives. From the list of payment options, choose an external service such as Klarna, Afterpay, or Zip if one of them appears in the listings. These services let you complete the purchase through their own payment system, and availability can vary based on region, order type, and account eligibility. If you don't see one of these options, it may simply not be offered for that transaction. After selecting the service you want, complete the identity authorization checks inside the gateway screen that appears. This confirmation step is handled by the external provider and is meant to verify that you're approved to use that payment method. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure all information is entered accurately so the process can finish without interruption. In some cases, the provider may ask for an additional confirmation before approving the payment. Once the authorization is completed successfully, your payment method should be confirmed through that provider, and you can continue with the order. Just make sure to review the final checkout details before submitting everything. That's how to use a buy now, pay later option on Uber Eats through Chrome, from opening the site to confirming payment through an external service.